Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make tasty potato roast recipe. You need only 20 minutes to make this tasty potato recipe. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take 3 potato, cut into small pieces. Then add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1.5 cup of water. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 3 whistles on medium flame. After 3 whistles, switch off the flame, leave it rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we can open the lid. Everything has cooked well. Remove the water and keep aside. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add half teaspoon mustard seeds. After mustard seeds spluttering, keep it low flame. Then add 1 sprig of curry leaves, 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. Saute it for 2 minutes on low flame. After 2 minutes, add 2 sliced onion, 3/4 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Saute it for 5 to 7 minutes until the onion turns to light golden brown color. It has done. Now keep it low flame. Then add 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, 3/4 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon chili flakes. Mix it well. Cook on low flame for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add the cooked potato without the water. Mix it well. Cook for a minute on low flame. Then switch off the flame. Our tasty potato roast is ready.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable the bell icon.
It's a very tasty and yummy recipe. We need only 20 minutes to make this tasty potato recipe.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.